Ay! Sabi ka, it looks like you haven't drink your coffee today. Do you want some coffee? Yeah. Sabi ka, what's wrong? What's wrong? Some coffee? Ikaw naman daw yung toilet. Brr, brr, bata, please. Brr, badi. Brr. Okay, kay Mr. Chin. Tyler. Oh, yeah, nasa Mr. Chin. Mr. Chin, upala ka sa kanya. Mr. Chin. How you? It's Mr. Chin. Okay. Oh? Okay. He's sleeping.